scared to lose myself or to grow old. And all my shadows, they just don't know where to go.
Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a makeup look using the new ABH NORVINA collection. So we have the Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. And it's so pretty, as you can see on here. The light's pretty bright, so it might be a little bit hard seeing, but I love this packaging. It's so different from Anastasia's previous palettes. So different, so unique. It's very pretty. Love the little gold lines in the front here. Of course, I love the purple packaging. It's like a tin packaging. So it's not like their ordinary palettes at all. It's very pretty. This retails for $60. The palette is a little bit bigger than their old palettes. It has 25 new shades in this palette. And as you can see how pretty these colors are. You see there's some pop-up colors as well as some neutral colors on the side. And then we have some shimmers, some metallic-y shades. So pretty, so cute. I love this palette so much. When I saw that Anastasia launched this palette, I knew I had to get it because it was really, really pretty, really unique, really different. It is a pretty big palette, so it's kind of hard to travel with. So this is volume 1, and I'm wondering if they're going to come out with like new palettes, or she's going to come out with other products pertaining to her collection, since it's the NORVINA collection. So I'm really excited to see what other products is going to come out of this collection. But yeah, I did create a look using this palette with this look here that I have on here. So the eye look is the main look, and I really like it. I feel like it's really just pops of color. I just feel like you can just create so many different looks using these shades, and yeah, I totally recommend this palette. But yeah, before getting into the makeup look, if you guys would like to, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated on videos. But yeah, without further ado, if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. Alright you guys, so we are going to start by priming our face first. And today I'm going in with the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I'm just going to use this to start off my base. I want to have a nice starting hydrating base for my skin. My skin has been really bad lately. Go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. I have the little mini version here. I'm just going to be applying that on a brush. I'm just going to pat it onto my eyelids. We are going in with, of course, the most important one is the ABH NORVINA collection palette. I love the original NORVINA palette. So when she dropped this palette, I knew I really needed. This palette is just fire. You can see all the colors in there are just so colorful, so pretty. A lot of different shades of purples, which obviously we know is NORVINA's color. I want to start off with a pink shade. I am going in with the shade A5, so a nice hot pink shade. I'm going to apply that onto the eyes. For the outer corners and inner corner, I want to go in with the red shade, which is D3. I want to bring it towards the inner corner. I'm going to have D3 all over the outer corner and the inner corners. Back into the crease shade A5, and I'm just going to fix it up a little bit, nothing much. Alright. For the middle shade, I'm going to go in with this beautiful peachy shimmery shade. And I'm just going to apply that right in the center. Oh, that is just gorgeous. I'm going back to D3. It's that nice red shade, and I'm just going to apply that some more in the outer corner and the inner corners. Just want to blend it nicely together. And let's go ahead and work on the face because I feel like my face is pretty tacky now and it's ready for some foundation. For foundation, we are going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. This is the Luminous foundation. I did do a review on this foundation and I really like it. I've been using it religiously. And yeah, I think it's really pretty. After that, I want to go in with some concealer. Just going to put it in the usual area. Going in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Duo right here, one of my favorites. I am going to apply some of that contouring powder onto my cheeks. For blush, I am going in with the MAC Cosmetics Peaches Blush. I just really love this blush. I feel like it's very sheer, but like it's just really nice when you build it up. Okay, let's go back to the eyes. I'm going to continue. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go straight into the purple shade B4. That is going to go right underneath my eyes. I want to incorporate the purple, of course. I'm just going to drag that down. Going with this purple Lancome eyeliner, and I'm going to just add that onto the waterline. So I'm going to be adding this purple eyeliner on the top part of my eyes. Creating this purple liner. For highlighter, I'm going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit and the Sugar Glow Kit. Oh. So I'm going in with this shade right here called Gumdrop. Alright guys, so I got on some lashes. I went with the Lily Lashes Light Mink Everyday Natural Lash in the style Goddess. So there's some more natural lashes so you can see the shadow more. At least that's what I was going for. But I'm going to finish off with some lipstick, and I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Dead Roses. I'm just going to finish off the look with some dewy set from Anastasia. Alright you guys, so this is the makeup look I have on here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love this palette so much. I just have nothing but good things to say about it. There's just so many different colors in here that I want to try. So I'll definitely be posting up more pictures using this palette. So just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm mostly on there showcasing different looks. So please follow me on there for social media, and please of course subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my little family here on YouTube, and so you can be updated on different videos that are coming up. And I think that's all that I have. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to click on the videos here that are popping up here to see some of my previous videos, of course. And yeah, I love this look so much, and I hope you guys did too. And that's all that I have. So until next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!